Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you're signed in with an administrator account and closing any unsaved work. This prevents disruption while network services reset. Once ready, press Win+I or click Start and choose settings to jump straight into network and internet. Make sure the laptop is plugged in so power fluctuations won't abort the process. These initial steps give you the correct permissions and a stable environment, which is essential because resetting rewrites adapters and services at system level. Once in network and internet, go to Status and scroll to the Network Reset option at the bottom. This is where Windows consolidates adapter reinstalls. Click Reset Now and confirm when prompted. Windows will tell you it will restart the PC. This step reinstalls network adapters and restores default network components so corrupt drivers or settings are cleared. Make sure you've noted Wi-Fi passwords and any VPN configuration, because those profiles are removed and must be reconfigured afterwards. After the automatic restart, reconnect to your Wi-Fi and re-enter saved passwords, then reinstall any VPN clients or vendor drivers you previously used. Make sure to open Device Manager, expand network adapters, and update drivers if Windows does not supply the latest. If connectivity still fails, run the built-in network troubleshooter from Settings to collect diagnostics. A key troubleshooting tip: if a recent driver or update caused the problem, roll back that driver in Device Manager before reapplying new packages to isolate the cause.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.